Magic of the Subconscious. What is visible and what is not visible, 11 Magic Secrets. A book by Irena Dudek. The Magic of the Subconscious tells about the secrets that the subconscious hides in its treasury. The book teaches us how to make contact with unlimited knowledge that is able to help us and answer every question. Learn to make contact with your interior. Learn to ask questions of your subconscious. The author Irena Dudek invites you to read this book. Expand your knowledge. Feed your interior with knowledge about invisible energies that decide about your fate. Our life is the one main line, the light to which we persistently approach. It is our main goal. We have to overcome a lot of obstacles. The main line, on which we strive for light, can be divided into few minor lines. These are the lines of health, love, work, finance, friends, enemies, and warnings about what one should avoid in his life. Our life consists of these lines. One complements the other, and when set together, they form a whole, the way of our life. On the way of life there are various stops, obstacles, stones, and pavements full of roses, because the happiness also happens. Therefore, start your great journey on the path of spiritual growth today. This path will answer many questions to which you had no answers. Just hang on and develop yourself. Magic of the Subconscious is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.